Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Computer.
What does the dictionary say?
An electronic device for storing and processing data, typically in binary form, according to instructions given to it in a variable program.
Math Rap.
Here today and in the future, almost everything is run by a computer. It can be macro or micro for data to store, process, calculate, and inform.
Math Rap.
What would your life be like without computers? Explain. How would you define the word computer in your own words? Computers don't have mouths, but they got bytes. Put these types of bytes in order from largest to smallest. Petabyte, terabyte, kilobyte, byte, megabyte, gigabyte, yottabyte. Are smartphones like a computer? Explain. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!